Alright, so we are going to, I'm going to explain how to do what I do. Alright? So I'm just going to back it out here. I'm on Euro USD. And I'm on a weekly chart. It's, what is today? I don't even know. It's September 12th. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to, first find some support and resistances. So let's take this leg right here. This is the leg start for this down leg, right? Okay. Let's use this leg here. Okay. So I'm going to plot the obvious support resistances. Dojis everywhere. Okay, boom. Okay. These are levels here. And the reason they are levels is because you've got your accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution, drops down, right? Great, isn't it? Here's a bigger level. Let's play with this one now. Alright. No, you know what? This level is about right here, I believe. Yeah. Okay. So, and then we finally have got this guy right here too. We'll get to that in a second though. Okay, so basically, here is my level. Comes down, first test, right? It gets rejected. It's always rejected on the first test. Goes up. This here is distribution. Now, what we're going to see is this is all distribution, right? So this was what pushed it down lower here, right? But since it distributed so much, it also pushed it down here. But if we go over here, go back to the 4-hour here, right? You see how it closed below here, so it actually, that's what gave this pop right here, was that close down there. So it needed to test that level right there in order to get this pop, or I mean in order to go lower, right? So that's, we got, if it was going to go up, this would have gained this right here, but it didn't, and that's why it went and made a lower low. So now we're at the lower low here, and this was a couple days ago. So let's check it out here, right? So we're going back to the daily to find our support, which would be here. And then go back to the 4-hour, and we'll see here, I knew for a fact, see, okay, so this was the first touch. It wasn't going to go through on the first touch, right? Obviously not. That's why we knew it would go up and it would distribute and we would get a low. Well, we did, so right, so let's go back to like at the 12-hour maybe. So what I did is I looked here and I saw, okay, this is where it's gonna go, and it sure did, first touch, right? But then I knew that since it distributed so much, it was going to go lower, right? So I kept and held my trade because it wasn't making anything, you know, significant of a high. So tested here, then it dumped, and then it immediately gained everything back. So that obviously right there, that candle is a sign of extremely bullish momentum building. So, you know, then we're just going to use our next leg up. So then the next leg up would be here, but since it's already been tested, it should go up to here and that's already been tested as well, so it should in turn go even higher and go up to here. That's where I'm looking for the next take profit. It's going to be up in this area. That's untested as of right now. So yeah, I believe though that this is going to come down just a bit to here probably, and retest that. What it, that's retesting what it gained. This is testing what it gained, what it lost, what it gained, what it gained. Yeah, what it gained. That's what this was doing. So it obviously came down and then popped right back. And as long as it closes up here today, we'll be in a bullish. Uh, it'll be the start of a bullish trend. We just got to go up here and accumulate a little bit more. And yeah, that's basically how to find and figure out what is going to happen in the chart.